What? Dude, can I have anything to myself? Hey y'all, welcome back to Captured by Yada. I'm finally back after like 11 years. I have, give you a little update. For the past year, I have been getting myself together, you know, finding my inner zen. And I also have had my hair in protective styles basically for like the past year and a half. I've gone back and forth from braids to knotless braids to twists, back to braids, back to twists, back to braids, back to twists. And so I couldn't give any natural hair content because I was just trying to figure out my hair and grow it out and maintain its health. And as you can see, the shrinkage is still intact. Okay, I have all the shrinkage in the world in my head. My curl pattern has changed a little bit. I feel like my hair hangs a lot longer now when it's wet. Right now, it's freshly out the shower, freshly out of deep condition. There's no product in my hair whatsoever, just a little bit of water. My hair dries really fast. So before we get started, I'm gonna spray down my hair, drench it, because the best way for me to blow dry my hair is to have it completely soaking wet first, okay? If you wanna learn more, stay tuned. All right, so first I'm gonna split my hair into 4 big chunky sections, and then I'm gonna split each section into 2 pieces so that I have a smaller amount of area to work with. As I said before, I'm going to make sure my hair is nice and saturated before I begin. And my water bottle is aloe vera and water only. Now I only use 2 products in my hair. The first one is the Moroccan oil treatment oil. Only a little bit goes a long way. You only need like a dime size amount in your hair. And then make sure you saturate it and moisturize it all the way through to the ends. Now the second product is the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense Spray. That's my heat protectant. Now here you can see I'm using the Dry Bar blow dryer. I have attached a wide tooth comb attachment to it, and I wrapped it around with some tape to make sure it stays on. I know I'm not the only one whose dryer attachment has fallen off and flew across the room halfway through blow drying your hair. Make sure once you begin blow drying, your hair is all the way detangled. Make sure you use a wide tooth comb, and always start from the bottom. Even with the blow dryer, keep the dryer attachment towards the bottom, and then you move up as the tension releases from your hair. After I finish each section, I either twist it or I put a braid in it just to keep the length and the shrinkage from attacking it, and then I'll unravel it again at the end. As you can see here, my roots are pretty much straight, not necessarily bone straight, but I want to make sure that they are not damaged, so I don't put too much heat on it. The first couple passes, I keep my hair on, I keep the blow dryer on medium heat, and then at the end, I crank the heat up to high heat just for a couple passes at the end. Once I'm done, I unravel my hair and I go through my roots just one more time on medium heat because my hair likes to swell immediately. Like if I'm getting my hair straightened, my stylist has to do my hair when it's soaking wet, and then once it's blow dried, it has to be flat iron almost immediately. And there you have it, nice quick silky hair. Now you can do anything you want to your hair at this point. Usually I leave it froed out, or I put about 8 chunky braids into it. You could do a roller set after this. You could do a flexi rod set, anything you want. You have nice stretched, versatile hair. I'm giving the girls volume, melanin. Come on, 1B. Yes. Whew.